We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our team works hard to make everyone happy, so these positive reviews are very motivating. And now we're thrilled to share this one with you. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. And that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and anyone who reads 5-star reviews is wise, because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star service. We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come and see us today. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. Don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.